Hi folks, welcome back to John's Garage. I'm working on my tiller, trying to fix the recoil on it because the cord was bad. And yeah, this is getting it ready for the spring and try to get ready for a garden. But here's the pull cord right here. Recoil I'm working on right now. Here. Just having a little difficulty with it right now at the moment because it is not wanting to line up. Here. So I have to give it a little bit of persuasion. Okay guys, I'm back. Finally got it. There. Just gonna go ahead and get a knot in it. There, so might have a little bit too much there, so okay. Alright, so before I do that, I'm going to put this on the pull cord. I don't want that rope going all the way back in there yet. So, put this on the old cord. There. Use my little pick. Get in there. Come on, you little devil. I'll fix that a little bit later, but right now I just wanted to make sure That's going. Oh. Uh-oh. Had a little knot in there. I guess it couldn't recoil if it's going to do that, huh? Might have too much cord on here now. Might have to cut a little bit off of it. So we're gonna go right about there. I'm gonna mark it right there. Probably give it a little bit of slack there. And since I wasted that cord, burn this part with the lighter. There. Trying to get the littlest knot. I'm crazy, so don't do what I did, folks. I know there's probably an easier way of doing this than what you guys see me doing right now, but you know, this is the way I'm doing it. Are we still on camera? We're still on camera. Okay. Alright. It's not the best, but it's on there a little bit better than what it was. So, alright. So, so far working, so let's go ahead and put it back on the tiller there. Got my 4 bolts, and we'll see if this thing's gonna work. I dropped one. You guys still with me? I got my longer extension up. Alright, take two. Let's try it again. I think I got the pull cord fixed this time, so we're going to give it a try and see what it does. Like I said, I haven't run it in so long, so oh, okay. It's not going to work in my favor with this pull cord mechanism. So we're going to have to go to plan B. Come back. Okay. Hopefully this is the last time. I think I got it on there this time. I got it tied. It's sticking out, but I don't care because it's mine anyway, so it ain't going to matter. So put it on idle and see if it fires up. It works. So thanks for watching, tubes. I finally got it fixed. Good old Craftsman tiller lawnmower. Tiller, excuse me. Back to running again. Thanks for watching, tubes.